It's been 20 years now. Why didn't I met her before? Maybe I was afraid. Or maybe I can't face her. Today I can see her. And I will see her. Anita, why you leave me all alone? Akka!
Who?
Akka, it's me.
Sagar? Is that you?
Yes, Akka.
So you still remember us? So early you come. Thank God. At least you come before my death. After 20 years you are coming here. Why? To claim on your daughter? Or anything else? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Where were you before? My poor younger sister, Anita. She gave birth to Abha and died. Poor Abha. Mother died. And father?
My
Father left her just like an orphan. I took pity on you. And you? You taken it for granted.
Akka, listen to me. Cannot repay you for what you did. I've never forgotten Abha. She is my child. And I'm always eager to see her. I lost my job. So unable to take a responsibility. She was growing up in your house. So I hesitate. He's passed away. I really owe you, Akka.
Don't give me any explanation.
Akka!
Abha, how you come so early today?
Abha.
Akka, Mr. Rao sir, his lecture was off.
Okay, go inside and have lunch.
My child.
Okay, Akka.
She looks just like her mother.
I think you should leave now. Till today you never shown up. So I told her that her father is dead. Anyways, what makes a difference? Go away and never come back again.
Akka. This is Anita's only memory I have. Give it to Abha. It's a gift from a lovely daughter. From her dead father.
Akka? Who was that person? And what are these?